Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be creating this easy and simple summer makeup look. It's very warm and bright. If you're interested, please keep on watching. Before we forget, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on that subscription box down below and hit the bell notification icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. First I'm going to start priming my face using this Color Bar primer.
Wanna waste what's left.
And for foundation, I'm going in with this PAC foundation in the shade 3.1. This is very nice for summer. Dotting it all over my face and blending it with the beauty sponge.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And for concealer, as you all know, I love this concealer from LA Girl Pro HD Concealer. This is in the shade Almond. I'm using it under my eyes and also to spot correct. Then to add a little bit of brightness, I'm gonna take this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium and putting it around my eyes. For my eyebrows, I'm gonna use this Sugar Arch Rival Brow Definer, and first I'm gonna brush my brows and then I'm gonna fill in.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
To set my makeup, I'm gonna use this Lakme 9 to 5 compact powder because you don't want to be sweaty, and this adds a very nice matte finish to your skin, and this is very necessary for summers. Then I'm going to use this Essence Sun Club bronzer. This is a shimmer bronzer. I really like this. This is just to add a little bit of warmth. Then I'm going to use this Kiss Beauty blush. This is very bright pink blush. This is really nice for the price. It's very affordable and it adds like a nice flush of pink. Then for my eyes, I'm gonna take this Nika K23 palette, lighter shade to set all over my eyelid, and then I'm gonna take this warm orange shade and I'm gonna blend it in my crease. I'm gonna place it only in my outer corner and bringing it inside my crease, and then blending it really well. Then I'm gonna take this warm peachy red shade and just placing it near my outer V corner and then blending in with the warm orange shade. Then I'm gonna take my Lakme Iconic eyeliner and lining my eyelid. Then I'm gonna use my Faces Kajal to put it in my waterline, and then I'm gonna use Lakme Iconic mascara and adding 2 or 3 coats of mascara. For the next product, I'm really excited about this one. This is Makeup Revolution Sun Kiss Illuminator. I'm gonna put this on the high points of my cheeks and nose and also under my brow bone. Then I'm taking this Bella Worsted Chubby Stick in the shade Rose. This was sent to me by Glam Ego. This is really pretty warm pink shade. This actually pulls the whole look together. I really like the shade. To top it off, I'm going to use this Lakme Absolute Lip Shine as a gloss. So that's it for this look. I hope you enjoy watching this, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.